Name is Rafat GH. What about you?
I'm just fan.
Just fun. That's a nice name.
Thank you.
Um, will you? I just want to know what makes you fall for a guy.
Oh, what makes me fall for it? Okay. So I would say the first one is behavior. Actually, yeah. I just can't fall for anyone because of the stature or something. But then behavior matters to me the most. So yeah, I say behavior.
So I want to know: will you allow your best male friend to have a female friend?
Like my boyfriend or male friend, which is
Best male friend, maybe your boyfriend, to have a female friend.
my boyfriend. No, 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 please.
So why?
Why? Because maybe I will trust you, the guy, but then I won't trust the girls around you. And me, I am the jealous type, right? So yeah, I can't afford that. No, no,
So do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
no, please. I'm not really a social media person.
So I want to say thank you very much for speaking to me